A modern, minimalist house with glass doors, wooden accents, lush greenery, and vibrant pink-white flowers lining the sunlit path. A sunlit patio with black metal table holding red roses, enclosed by white brick walls and lush greenery. A minimalist garden with sleek house, glass windows, manicured lawn, trimmed hedges, vibrant flowers, and soft, overcast lighting. A sunlit patio with wooden furniture, vibrant flower beds, and modern home featuring floor-to-ceiling glass doors. A charming single-story house with red tiled roof, white walls, lush garden, wooden bench, and warmly lit interior. A quaint traditional bungalow with white walls, red tiled roof, manicured garden, stone path, and tropical foliage backdrop. A minimalist patio with wooden dining set under white overhang, glass walls, greenery, and rustic brick accents. A serene garden with modern white house, wooden pergola, lush greenery, and dining set under glass roof. A single-story white house with gray roof on green lawn, surrounded by orange-yellow flowers and shaded dining area. A modern, open-concept house with white exterior, colorful abstract painting, glass windows, and garden dining set. A sunlit patio with modern white sofa, armchairs, light wood frames, lush tree, and potted plant. A minimalist house with glass windows, clean lines, flat roof, wooden beams, cozy interior, and garden pond. A minimalist backyard with white stucco house, floor-to-ceiling windows, potted plants, brown sofas, and glass dining table. A cozy single-story house with dark gray roof, glass doors opening to wooden deck, vibrant garden, and stone path. A tropical villa interior with thatched roof, white walls, beige couch, black coffee table, wooden dining set, and greenery.